Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing great. Hi, my name is Preeti, and I have taken a 30-day series challenge where I'm gonna create posts and templates. So, this is day one of our 30-day series. So, come, let's create. So, first of all, you have to open Canva and then select a background color of your choice. Then, select a shape that highlights the product. So, here I am making a pizza template, and then put that product on its place and then just layer the product with the shadow, and then write the offer or some captions that highlights what you are gonna tell your customers about, something specific about your product that highlights and catches the attention of your customers. And here I am just adding the last minute touch ups to my templates so that it looks even more better. And yeah, that's it. I hope you like it.